In this video, you'll learn how to connect Ask Central to Slack and automate real work directly into your team's channels. If your team lives in Slack, this is one of the most powerful ways to turn Central into an AI operator that runs tasks, sends updates, and keeps everyone aligned automatically. Let's walk through how to set it up. So first, you want to go to Ask Central and then click on the Connect tab. The first connection you're going to see is Slack, so you're going to click on Install to Slack. Make sure you allow all app permissions. Yay! Once connected, Central can perform actions inside Slack, like sending messages, reports, or updates directly into channels. There are two ways that Slack connects to Central. One allows Central to send messages into Slack. The other allows you to use Ask Central from within Slack. For automations like reports and workflows, what we want is the first, giving Central the ability to act inside Slack. So now let's actually create an automation. Here you can create recurring tasks using natural language. For example, you could write the prompt, send me a weekly summary in Slack every Friday at 5 p.m. in Team Updates. So Team Updates is the channel inside Slack that the summary would get sent to every Friday. You can give it a title. So here you can just repeat every Friday at 5 p.m. and see how it's automatically updated down here. So once you save this, Central generates the report, sends it to Slack automatically, and repeats that every week. This is perfect for things like weekly summaries, daily reminders, or team updates, for example. Now let's look at the second way, actually using Ask Central from Slack. For this, you need to connect Slack slightly differently. So you head to New Chat, and right here you'll see the option to connect apps. So as you can see, I already have Slack connected. Again, this is going to allow you to send commands directly from Slack to Ask Central. For this example, I'm going to use Linear because I'm going to go into my Slack and I'm going to send a message to Ask Central from my Slack and ask it to create a Linear ticket from a specific conversation. I have to make sure that Linear is connected to Ask Central. Okay, perfect. So now I'm going to go into my Slack and I'm going to choose a specific conversation and I'm going to ask Central to create linear tickets from that conversation. So here we have a conversation that includes a few things that need to get done. So we tag Ask Central. That's important. And you have to make sure that Ask Central is a part of the chat. So now Central will read the context, it'll create the tickets inside of Linear, and then it'll reply back in Slack confirming what it created. Okay, amazing. Awesome. Look at that. Isn't that so cool? So here it's prepared all of the tasks for us, and here are the links to the tickets inside Linear. Let's actually test that and click on one of the links. Let's try this one, review and fix expense categorization discrepancy. And there we go. Amazing. So as you can see, this really turns Slack into a command center where you can execute real work instantly. And that's how you connect Slack to Ask Central and start automating real workflows into your team's communication layer. Once this is set up, Central can run reports, trigger actions, and keep your team updated without any manual effort. And this is just one example of how Central connects your tools and actually gets work done across them.